This is benchmarking. Here you can see the revenues of all the battery energy storage assets in the Modo database. Maybe you're looking to benchmark the performance of your assets against those of your competitors. The leaderboard is a fantastic place to do this. Let's jump in and take a look. The benchmark, leaderboard and asset explorer are all updating live, so you can get the latest performance data as it happens. These coloured bars next to each asset represent different market revenues, so you can tell straight away where assets are earning their money. More often than not, you'll be after more detail than that. Scroll down and you'll see the leaderboard table. Here you can see who owns and operates each asset, its size and duration. Scroll across to see the proportion of trading in ancillary and merchant markets and its cycling rates. And finally, here's the annualised revenues an asset is earning. If you work in units of per month or per hour, you can change that here. You can click on an asset that's piqued your interest and explore how it's been trading in more detail, plus how it's performed against the Modo 1 hour and 2 hour best indices. Do this over any time frame you like. Your mission may be to learn about revenues in a particular market. You can toggle all others off and make this clearer. Scroll down slightly and you can see how these revenues line up with the physical operation of the asset. You might also be keen to look at which operational strategies lead to higher cycling rates. Now you've uncovered the secrets of this asset, jump to another asset and continue your comparison. Another objective of yours might be to compare the operator's overall performance. To do this, let's go back to the leaderboard. You can filter it by operator, and voila! The leaderboard has morphed to show you how all the megawatts in their portfolios are doing. However, judging assets on a per megawatt basis isn't always the most helpful metric, so you can normalise the leaderboard by megawatt hours instead. Leaving long-term contracts off lets you see how operators are performing on a day-to-day basis. Now, the colour bars give you an idea of each operator's favourite markets and strategies for comparison, and the table goes into more detail. If you're keen to do your own in-house analysis, you can download all of the data. Since batteries come in different shapes and sizes, it's worth remembering that just because an asset isn't at the top of the leaderboard, it doesn't mean it's underperforming. It's always good to compare apples with apples. If you want to know how and why we've built the leaderboard the way we have, head to our methodology to find out. And if you ever get stuck, hit the button in the bottom right and a member of the Modo Energy team will jump on to guide you through it. I'll see you next time.